Hi there! What are we gonna be doing today? Today we're gonna be incubating eggs from a farm. Those eggs, I bought them online. So I've just received the parcel a few minutes ago. I just had time to open it and just to check how it was delivered. And here we go. As you can see, it's pretty well padded. So there's this. And there's plenty of how do you call this? You know, when you cut wood, so it's protected with this as well. And I've got my eggs that are here in between. So we're gonna be incubating those now. But before to do that, we're just gonna remove them, and we're gonna place the date, today's date, on the egg, just to make sure there are no problem with those when we're going to be incubating them, just to make sure that if we pass a month, or because sometimes we don't realize, just to make sure they're good, basically. So let's do that right away. Perfect. I've now marked them with today's date, and well, let's put them in the incubator now. The breed I've bought are the Blue Andalusian. I'll place somewhere on the screen what they look like when they're adult. Okay. Usually when they are born, they look gray. So I just hope they didn't give me the wrong eggs. But anyway, let's try now. Let's put it now in the incubator. Let's now place our eggs inside. Just make sure they are not too tight, and if you can, the pointy part downwards. So I know it's not possible with all the incubators, but if you have the possibility to do it, just do so. Okay. And I'm not sure if you remember on the other video I've made, you see when you arrive at the end like that, just to make sure they don't move so much, we place a bit of toilet paper, the end of the toilet paper that we cut in half, and we use that to cushion the end. That way they don't move that much. Okay, now let's continue with the others. My eggs are now inside. Those two, because I don't have, I've got way too much of space, I just left them like that. Okay, so all I need to do now is to fill up water here in those two holes, not too much, about 75%. If not, they will go through those holes. Okay, when the machine will tilt. Okay, so I'll place the water now, then place back the tray, and let's wait another 3 weeks and let's see what we got. Hopefully we'll have a better success rate than last time, which was a disaster. We are now at 19 days of incubation. And we can check a bit the eggs to see if there's something inside or not. There's a test lamp that you can buy, but I'm just gonna use a regular torch to check them. So let's see what we got. I hope that with the camera you'll be able to see. So we place it like that. So we're interested to see a pocket. You see? Can you see the difference of color? Here it's darker and here it's quite clear. And we look for, as well, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's some veins that are here. Okay, so that's a good sign. That egg is fertile. We're gonna have a check from this for sure. Let's try another one. Here we go again. You see the pocket, and here same thing, a lot of veins. There's a lot. Oh, and I can see the cheek moving here. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see this thing moving. But anyway, that's good. That's a good sign. Let's try a third one. Oh, this one doesn't look good. Completely clear. There's a kind of pocket here, but Now it's definitely too clear to have something in. Okay, so this one will fail. Okay, so anyway, let's wait 2 more days for this, and we'll see our little chicks. We have now reached the day of birth. So I've removed the automatic process for the machine to move around, and I've also removed the separation to all the eggs. As we can see, that egg is breaking. There's another one here, that's good, and I can hear a little chick making some noise, but I can't figure out which one. But anyway, let's leave nature doing its business, and then we'll come back to it a bit later. Here I have my box with chipwood that I've got here. I've got the eating plate, water and food. Here they will have more than sufficient space to run around, drink and eat. That's brilliant. So here they will spend the next 30 days, the next month, before I place them in freedom. If you want to know how to build a box like this, it's very easy. Just look at the top corner of the video, and I place the link on how I've made this. Okay, I've now got my first chick. As you can see, it just got born about 5 minutes ago. I think the next one will be this one. Then I've got other eggs that start to crack as well. So what I will do, I will keep them inside for the time being until they dry well, and then I will place them in the box that I've got for them. Well, I've now got all my little ones here. They got the food, they got the drink, and they're all under the heating plate. They're very healthy. I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna show them to you now. Hopla, here we go. See, look at them, beautiful. So here I've got 9. Sadly, 2 have died. That was a bit of a shame. And there's a third. There's another one that's coming out of his shell right now, and 2 eggs there was just nothing in it. Okay. That video is now finished. I hope you liked it, and if you've seen the previous one where I tried to incubate other type of eggs, you would have seen it was a complete failure. This one was actually quite nice. So I'm very pleased with that, and I'm very pleased to have that particular breed because I think they're absolutely beautiful. Stay tuned on my channel, and I will keep on adding videos. And if you got any questions and I can answer them, I will do so with very much pleasure. Okay, see you in the next one.